enjoy.
You should've stayed home. This ain't the place where your time go. And you should've stayed there. I shouldn't have asked your name. Now I know your name. Now I know your name.
Josh, this is Gavin, Chris, and Fisher.
Likes to party.
Love song next.
Chris says he likes to party.
Who
Took his mic away.
Love song next.
Just kidding, we gave him 2 extras on the drive.
Love song, is that right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, this next one's called Love Song.
You always want to sing our song. Whose lives don't last too long. Just a week and then he's gone. Another blues on the radio. So I guess this one will be written. And the book that's meant to be written. Let's listen it now. You always want to tell a song, so keep the lights on. A sense of you to last long. That is to say that we had fun, 'cause we had some. The only songs we hear are all the songs we hear. Let's listen. Let's listen now. Now I'm calling this a love song. You ought to know I wanna hold on. Call me friend or attaboy on. Call me boyfriend, 'cause you deserve more than a sad song. So here's the songs of the past. Something to be loud at.
Alright, we're gonna slow it down for a bit, then we have a few more songs and we'll get on out of here.
It's cold in the lighthouse. They used to bring me home, and I'd sit on the porch to see your smile. Now the waves are saying that you're not coming back. No, I didn't know you the best. I wish I could change that, but disappointment always seems to meet me halfway up the stairs. I was running to your feet and I said, why, oh why, grandfather, did you go? I've been dreaming of the stories you could tell me of war. Now I hide the truth that you ever did exist. You're just a hollow name on a hollow list. And tears they fell, but they fell for no reason. I never really knew you, you were just a name. I only saw you 4 times and I never felt your love. Now you're floating up above. I'm wondering he was. 'Cause disappointment always seems to meet me halfway up the stairs. I was running to your feet and I said, why, oh why, grandfather, did you go? I've been dreaming of the stories you could tell me of war. Now I hide the truth that you ever did exist. You're just a hollow name on a hollow list. So why, oh why, grandfather, did you go? I've been dreaming of the stories you could tell me of war. Now I hide the truth that you ever did exist. You're just a lonely on a hollow list. And I may be bitter that you may not deserve, but I'm just a boy who wonders who's grandfather was. Start a fire, I'm gonna burn down this house. But when I'm next to you, all the feelings go. Slow emotions down, you pick me up now. I've got my mask on, I'm too shy to show my face. But when my lights are off, take hold of my arm so you can free yourself. As you breathe, always feel the truth. All the falling things, just like the shadow. I've got my mask on, I was shy to show my face. But now the lights are on.
a guitar strap.
Any strap will do.
You what? Strap?
Yeah.
Guitar strap, yeah.
Thanks for the best.
You just sit.
Well, everybody, please enjoy. You guys can stare. I'll wrap it right there. I'll get distracted. Everybody.
Ready to unplug from the keyboard? Yeah, it's on there. Joshua, what's your reaction to sore throats?
We gotta take that yellow.
Yeah, we're talking about it. There's literally the thing swinging on this side. Yeah, I'm just way high. Oh. She gets it.